I'm gonna be unboxing it, reviewing it, and giving my honest opinions. Let's open it up and check it out. Inside the box is the keyboard, of course, the user manual, a keycap puller, and a switch puller in one. And you also get the USB-C cable, which is white. Let's talk about the layout. So this is a 75% layout that has an additional knob that allows you to control more settings on your keyboard easily. It also has 80 keys equipped with full arrow keys and other basic keys. The knob on the top right is a very useful addition for controlling music. If you are like me and listen to Spotify multiple times a day, you would understand the comfort of being able to mute and adjust the volume without having to change the tabs. Simply turn to lower the volume and vice versa to make it louder. Press down to mute it. On the back, you have two kickstands with rubber feet under them and two other rubber feet. The kickstands help elevate your keyboard if you prefer that. The rubber feet will help prevent slipping on your desk and stabilize your keyboard so it won't move around. Also on the back, there is a USB wireless 2.4 GHz if the cable bugs you. Or if you want, you can either do Bluetooth mode, turn on the switch on the back so you can press FN plus 1, 2, or 3. Since I'm only using one device, I'll press FN plus 1 and hold it for 3 seconds until you see the device pop up on your Bluetooth device settings. And then there you go, you have Bluetooth 5.1 as the name on the phone, and then you just click it and pair it. It's that simple and easy. Okay, so let's plug this in to check out the RGB. I gotta say, this keyboard has very vibrant RGB, and even though the keycaps are not shine through, it works very well. For me, it's bright and looks amazing in the dark or light, and there are many preset RGB effects, so you don't need any software to change it. Let's look at all of the RGB effects. The keycaps are PBT keycaps in MDA profile. It has a sculptured profile and a sleek design. They are sub-legends and made of PBT plastic and have a smooth feeling to it. For the switches, I got Gateron Pro Brown switches. You can also pick between Gateron Pro Red, brown, yellow, or black. This keyboard is also Hotswappable, meaning you can change the switches to your liking. Amazing if you want to customize your keyboard because the TH80 allows for 3 or 5 pin switches such as Gateron, Kale, Cherry, MX, and more. Let's do a tapping test with the brown switches. Overall, this keyboard is just so well built in all areas that you wouldn't even need to buy another keyboard. Thank you Epomaker for sending me this keyboard. Have a wonderful gaming day. Bye and hope to see you in the next video.